Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm going to do an apple cider vinegar rinse. Now let's get started with this video. I'm going to start by shampooing her hair. Her hair was in a protective braid hairstyle for about 2 to 3 weeks. Since I'm used to wash her hair every week, so today I'm going to use the apple cider vinegar to make sure that I really wash her hair. But to get started, I will wash her hair with a shampoo first. After putting shampoo on her hair, I'm going to make sure to rinse her hair out with a lot of water. I don't want to have any shampoo left on her hair. This is one of the reasons why I always wash her hair in sections. After shampooing her hair and rinsing out her hair, I'm going to grab my apple cider vinegar mix and then rinse her hair with the apple cider vinegar mix. And I'm going to start by putting it around her scalp. And I will do this in sections to make sure that I rinse every part of her hair with this apple cider vinegar mix. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. Let me know in the comment below, how do you do an apple cider vinegar rinse if you have ever done it. I know some people don't use shampoo before they do the apple cider vinegar, but I'd rather do it this way. I use the shampoo first, then I rinse the hair with the apple cider vinegar mix. Next, I'm just gonna put this section of her hair in a twist before I move on to the next section. And I will continue rinsing her hair with the apple cider vinegar mix until I'm done with every section of her hair. Here are some of the benefits of using apple cider vinegar on hair. After putting all over her hair, I will leave it for like a minute or so, but I would massage her scalp when I let the apple cider vinegar mix sit on her scalp for like few seconds to a minute or 2 minutes. Next, I will rinse her hair with a lot of water because this apple cider vinegar does not smell very good. So I'm making sure to add a lot of water before I continue with my regular deep conditioner or hair mask. Because this hair mask smells good too, it's gonna help with the take away the smell of the apple cider vinegar off her hair. So now what I'm doing is just putting a lot of water on her hair and put this hair mask on her hair, and I will let her sit with this hair mask for about 30 minutes to an hour. After 30 minutes or an hour, I'm going to rinse her hair out. We are done with this apple cider vinegar rinse wash day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider pressing that like button, and see you on our next video. Bye.